Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and today I'm here to give a video presentation on the topic Potter's 5 Forces. The Potter 5 Forces analysis model first appeared in a Harvard Business School Professor Michael E. Potter published Harvard Business Review in 1979. The publication of this has historically changed the understanding of strategy among enterprises, organizations, and even the countries. The main idea of this model is that the key to an enterprise obtaining a competitive advantage lies in the profitability of the industry in which the enterprise is located. They consist of those forces that are close to the company that affect its ability to serve its customer and make profit. The Potter 5 forces model identified five main sources of competition that are: first, threat of new entrants; second, threat of substitutes; third, bargaining power of customer; fourth, bargaining power of suppliers; fifth, competitive rivalry. The threat of new entrants. This force consider how easy or difficult it is for competitors to join the marketplace. The easier it is for new competitor to gain the entry, the greater is the risk of an established business market which is sharing the market in existing time. Barriers to the entry includes absolute cost advantage, access to inputs, etc. As new entrants, while bringing new production capacity and new resources to the industry, hope to win a place in market that has been already divided among the existing companies. Next, threat of substitution. This force study how easy it is for consumer to switch from business products or service to of to that of other business product or service, or we can say competitor. It examines the number of competitor, how their price and quality compared to business being examined, and how much of a profit those competitors are earning. Two companies in different industry may generate competing products because of the product they produce alternatively. Third, bargaining power of customer. Buyers mainly influence the profitability of existing companies in the industry through their ability to lower prices and requirements to provide higher product or service quality. This force examine the power of consumer and their effect on pricing and quality. Next, bargaining power of suppliers. This force analyze how much power a business supplier has and how much control it has over the potential to raise its price. When the input element provided by the supplier constitute a large proportion of the total cost of the product to the buyer, the potential bargaining power of a supplier is greatly increased. Last, competitive rivalry. Competitive rivalry force examine how intense the competition is in the marketplace. Rivalry competition is high when there are just few businesses selling a product or service. It is very much possible that in market with lots of rivals, your supplier and buyer can go elsewhere if they feel that they are not getting a good deal from you. Potter's 5 forces help a business choose choose a direction in which it can shield itself from as many competitive pressures as possible. It can also help a business shift the competitive forces in the company's favor by altering the underlying factors driving the competitive pressure and strategically deciding which tactic to push to gain the profitability posed in the market share. At At last, I only want to say that Porter's five forces analysis model has a global and profound impact on corporate strategy formulation. Applying it to the analysis of competition strategy can effectively analyze the competitor's competitive environment. Its application range from initial manufacturing industry, gradually cover almost all the industries such as financial service, high technology and so on. Thank you.